is Mary Joy and I will be your teacher for today. So we will be talking about the subject, predicate, and adjective. First, I will discuss about the subject. What is the subject? Subject is the start of the sentence. The person, animal, and place that is focus of it. For example, the house, the red car, and the great teacher. These are the examples of the subject. For sample sentences, Ms. Rowena will give us some examples.
I'm Rowena that will give some example of sentences. The house is white. The underlined phrase, the house, is the subject of the sentence. The red car is fast. The underlined phrase, the red car, is the subject of the sentence.
I'm Rian, and now let's talk about predicate. But before that, I will define to you what is predicate. Predicate will tell the action that the subject is talking or tell something about the subject. For example, the house is white. The underlined phrase is white is the predicate in the sentence. Next is the car is blue. The underlined phrase is blue is the predicate in the sentence.
I'm Christine, and let's move on to the last topic, which is all about the adjective. What is adjective? Adjective modifies a noun or pronoun. It adds meaning by telling which one, what kind, or describing it in other ways. For example, in the phrase, the great teacher, the word great is an adjective that modifies a word noun. The next, the red car. The word red is an adjective that modifies a noun car. For some sentences, Ms. Mary Ann will give some examples.
I'm Mary Ann and I will give sample sentences. Kevin is my new friend. The word new is an adjective that modifies the noun friend. Another is, she is beautiful. The word beautiful is an adjective that modifies the pronoun she.
And that's the end of our presentation. We hope that you learned something from us. Thank you for watching.